Hi everyone, Terry Brighton here from Brighton Racing with the next small block Mopar stroker on the test stand. This one here is the one that I'm comparing the intakes to. It has the Super Victor intake, whereas one last week had the Trick Flow intake. I know it's two different engines, but as far as the specs, right down to the oil pan all the way up, it's exactly the same part numbers, same pistons, same everything. I'm using the Kevco oil pan with the crank scraper, so I'll put all the information on the information below, so you can check it all out. So I was hoping for 540 horsepower last week, and it only made 533. Maybe with the Super Victor it'll make over the 540 horse, but we're definitely going to find out. So I'll just start her up here. I usually run it with open headers, but it sounds pretty much exactly the same as the one last week. So it's got the same cam in it too, the Voodoo Lunati cam. The video last time has the specs on it. So again, we'll see if we can break the 540 horse with this one, and I'll let you know on Sunday night or Monday. Thanks for watching.